Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Sound check. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello. It's okay. चलो सही है. Hello, hello. It's okay. Hey, hi Shiva. Welcome to live stream. Hi Shiva. Welcome to live stream. Just सही है क्या? How's the camera? हाँ ठीक है चलेगा. Hello, 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 hello. Everything is okay. Let me check. Hello, everything is okay. ठीक है. So, hey, hi, welcome to live stream. Hi, welcome to live stream. But your voice very low. Voice is okay, I think so. Voice is working फिलहाल के लिए. What I believe. The voice check. Okay, we have one more query. Are you working professional? Yes, I am actually working for freelance client. I am working for freelance client. मतलब I am working as a freelance gig for client as a data analyst. So earlier I was a working professional in corporate field. Sorry for spelling mistake. So total 3 companies I have worked for. These are the companies. And related to freelance work, in total I have worked with 8 clients. Means 7 clients I have done my work. 1 client I am working recently. ठीक है, right? Like Microsoft Copilot Analytics. Microsoft Copilot. What is it like related to AI? है ना? Copilot, what I believe is related to AI. Okay. Okay. In which MNC? These are the companies. These are the 3 companies total. Actually, this is the last company. My last working day was March 2025, right? But right now I am working for a freelance client. That's it. Client based in Vietnam. He is having his own retail business, so I am handling all those data work from him. For him, I mean to say. Like Microsoft Copilot analytics features can kill DA role in future. It's not like that, bro. It's not like that. First thing first, the amount of data, whatever you see right now, any of the AI, it is really very tough to manage all those things. Really very tough. Let me tell you that. And it is not like that ki only Copilot has been used by only Microsoft, right? It has been used by all other companies as well, right? So if you present your data, your own company data, right? Your own company data to any of the AI, and due to some data breach, if the data get, I mean to say, if data gets into issue, it will be really create a huge problem, let me tell you. And in, I don't think in next 10 years this AI would be able to handle this million kind of data, like million rows of data. Let me tell that. Huh. If AI is too much strong, what news I am hearing like Apple and Google are working for a same AI. Huh. If this things happens, then obviously it will kill DA role. Not only DA role, every other role. Let me tell you, DA, DEDS, all the technical roles will be come to kind of what I would say, it will come to a point where all the work will be done in with AI. I mean to say all the work. So no need to worry right now. It's not like that. It's not like that. Ki, anyhow, for AI also you have to make sure like humans are working side by side, because if some of the other things happen someday due to some bugs or due to some issue, then everything is gone, right? So no need to worry about. ठीक है, that's the thing. ठीक है, so no need to worry about that. ठीक है ना. Right, no need to worry about that. If the AI is in that standard and that form, then obviously all the technical jobs will go, so no need to worry about. ठीक है, related to data, it's kind of a thing which cannot be distributed to anyone. It should be better to stay in a company own security server and taken care of it, right? That's the thing. Okay, so yeah, hey, hi Yash, welcome to live stream. भैया मेल भेजा था आपको, कब भेजा था, आज भेजे थे क्या? लेट मी चेक. Okay, we have one more query. I also work as a freelancer, but my approach is different. That's a good thing. That's a good thing. Like you work as a DA or web developer. Okay, we have one more query. I identify people in my city who are facing challenges with their project, approach them directly, and collaborate with them by becoming part of the project team. Then that's a good thing, bro. That's really a good thing. Trust will be there. Trust will be there, and you will be working closely with the client. So that's a really good approach, I would say. That's a good thing. That's a good one. Let me check. Do I receive any mail or something? So let me check. Okay, I've received a mail from Yash right now. ठीक है. इट्स लाइक एक्सेल का इंटरव्यू देने जाते हैं तो उसमें किस टाइप का क्वेश्चन रहता है. इंटरव्यू में पाइवट टेबल चार्ट पूछते हैं पर कैसे बनाने को देते हैं. यस राइट यश, लेट मी टेल यू, नॉट ओनली एक्सेल, नॉट ओनली एक्सेल, रिलेटेड टू सीक्वल, रिलेटेड टू पावर बीआई, वो आपको एक दिन पहले ही या तो जब भी वो इंटरव्यू डेट होने के कुछ दिन पहले ही आपको मेल दे देंगे रिलेटेड टू वॉट एवर टूल्स you need to install and whatever work they will ask, you have to just share the screen. आपको स्क्रीन शेयर करना है एंड ऑन स्पॉट यू हैव टू वर्क ऑन द क्वेश्चंस. on the questions they will ask. That's it. You have to share the screen and you have to work on that. तो इस तरीके का होता है. और चार्ट्स में भी बहुत तरीके चार्ट्स होते हैं, तो वो हमारी मर्ज़ी है कि कौन सा हम यूज़ कर रहे हैं. आपका देखो, डिपेंड ऑन द क्वेश्चन. अगर इंटरव्यूअर बोलता है या तो रिक्रूटर आपको बोलता है कि आप अपने मर्जी से चार्ट यूज़ करो, यू आर गुड टू गो. अगर रिक्रूटर बोलता है कि नहीं मुझे इस तरीके के चार्ट ही चाहिए, तो आपको उसी तरीके का चार्ट यूज़ करना पड़ेगा, राइट. देयर इज़ नो अदर ऑप्शन फॉर दैट, क्योंकि उसे वही पॉइंट रिलेटेड देखना है कि आपको नॉलेज है कि नहीं. ठीक है, दैट्स द थिंग. और एक थर्ड क्वेश्चन भी है. जैसे फार्मूलाज जो है कि लाइक सम इफ, जो सम इफ काम करेगा वही पाइवट टेबल से भी हो जाएगा. तो इंटरव्यूअर ऐसा कहेगा कि सम इफ ही लगाओ. डिपेंड्स, वही बोल रहा हूँ ना, डिपेंड्स ऑन द इंटरव्यूअर. अगर इंटरव्यूअर जैसे आपने बोला ना चार्ट्स रिलेटेड, अगर इंटरव्यूअर बोलेगा कि मुझे यही स्पेसिफिक चार्ट चाहिए, तो यू हैव टू गो विथ इट. यू हैव टू गो विथ इट, राइट. अगर अगर आपको इंटरव्यूअर पूछे, अगर इंटरव्यूअर आपसे पूछे कि आपको सिर्फ सम इफ लगा के काम करना है, देन यू हैव टू वर्क विद दैट ओनली. ठीक है, तो आपको उसी हिसाब से ही काम करना पड़ेगा, राइट. दैट्स द थिंग. So it is like that. Shiva, and yesterday you stopped explaining delete function. Can you explain right now? Today we will explain it. Today we will explain it. Bro, aware of your new viewers from this type of AI scams. What kind of scams can you please explain so that I would be also aware of that? Can you please explain in this? So that let me check. कहाँ गया भाई? ओके. Let me check that out. What do we have here right now? अच्छा हाँ, चलो ठीक है. नो मोर क्वेश्चन. लेट अस मूव टू द क्वेश्चन फॉर अपना दिस शिवा. ठीक है शिवा. ओके, लास्ट टाइम यू आस्क फॉर डिलीट, राइट. मतलब यस्टरडेज डिलीट एंड आई हैव सॉ योर इशू एज वेल. सो लेट आई होप यू आर देयर शिवा इन द लाइव स्ट्रीम. Let me tell you one thing about some rules related to the parent table and related to the foreign key or foreign key related, what we say, references of the table. ठीक है. First thing, I hope Shiva you are there in the live stream. Okay, we have, yes, I am there. Okay, chalo. See, first thing first, what you will do, parent, whatever data is there in parent table cannot be deleted directly. ठीक है. Some rules we have to follow. Data in parent table cannot be deleted directly. ठीक है. Right. First thing first. ठीक. Second thing, there is an option. There is an option like if you want to delete, if you want to delete what we say, your datas that is available. Wait a minute. So if you want to delete your datas that is available in the parent table, there is a way. There is a way. First thing what you have to do, you have to remove the reference connection with the foreign key. I mean to say, whoever, like whichever table has took reference from parent table made foreign key with references, you have to first remove the references. This is the first thing, you have to remove the references. ठीक है. Second thing what you have to do, like we did yesterday, हमने क्या किया, like what we did, I think there are like employee table था, parent table, and then the second table was product था कि कुछ था, let me see. Project था, not product. Second table project था, right, which was in foreign key constraint. So what we did, we have removed the connection here. ठीक है. There was a connection in between. ठीक. What connection we have removed? We have deleted datas from project. ठीक है. Once we deleted data, what happened? The connection broke. Right now, earlier it was like employee connected to project. ठीक है. Then what we did, we deleted data from project. So what happened? The connection is lost right now. ठीक है. Connection is lost right now. Once the connection is lost, let's go to the rules. Once the reference connection is lost, then we can delete the required data from the parent table. ठीक है. Right. So what we did earlier we have written like this. Where is it? Earlier we have written, I have the mail. Earlier what we have written, delete from employee, and then we have written the queries and all. ठीक है. Then what I told you, you have to rename this first, delete from project. ठीक है. You delete from project yesterday. ठीक है. Simple. I have received your screenshot as well. Delete from project has been done. Right now, do one thing. You use the previous query. Right now with the same query, what you do? See, here we have broke the connection with the parent and the foreign table with the foreign key constraint. Right now, write the first query again. I mean, the same query you have to write, but you have to write delete from employee with the query, and you have to go with the flow. After that, when you do this, select everything from employee, you will see the output won't be having the duplicate. You do once and then you connect me again, ठीक है, or send me the screenshot, ठीक, send me the screenshot again, right? So do it and send me the connection again, ठीक, I mean send me the screenshot or tell what output do you receive, right? And I hope everyone have like applied for the job role for freshers that I have already made post on it. I am sending you the links again. Please apply through the I mean to say apply to this job post, and these are for freshers, that's why I'm saying, ठीक है, these are for freshers point of view, I mean 0 years का work ex है, so please go and apply, right? One is for remote like USA, so USA remote job is there, ठीक है, and this is for 0 to 2 years. One is for 0 to 1 year and other is also for I think 0 to 2 year, ठीक है, other is also for 0 to 2 year. So please go and apply in the 3 job roles, as it is for freshers right now. Go and work with that, I mean work on applying, I mean to say, right? Project. So anybody can ask your doubts if you have any doubts related to anything. Okay, we have one query. I sent mail now. Let me see. Okay. No, you have to. Okay, you have done the same thing. In place of project, write employee again. ठीक है. Earlier, what we have done, we are trying to delete from employee, but error was showing. ठीक है. Then we have to remove the connection. So for removing the connection, we have written projects, ठीक है, we have written projects and deleted everything. Now connection is reset, connection is not there. Now do one thing, you write delete from employee, where projects you have written na, remove it and delete from employee you do, ठीक है, right? You have done the same thing, that's why it is saying ki 0 rows affected, that's why. Yeah, hi Shubham, welcome to live stream. कैसे हो भाई? हेलो भाई, हैप्पी हैप्पी न्यू ईयर भाई। कैसे हो? मैं बढ़िया हूँ भाई, आप कैसे हो बताओ? और कैसा चल रहा है? कैसा है? ठंडा है वहाँ पे? आई मीन वहीं पे हो ना आप अभी शायद, हैदराबाद में, आई थिंक सो। कैसा चल रहा है वहाँ पे? मौसम कैसा है वहाँ पे? हाउ इज़ एवरीथिंग? Okay, we have one query. I had a long vaccination. Okay, I have had a long vaccination. Okay, like तबीयत ठीक है अभी? How is your health right now? At my hometown, I think Odisha. Okay, seeing you after a long while right now I'm in Odisha. So okay, good. Take rest भाई। अभी कैसा है तबीयत? How is your health right now? How is your health right now? कैसा है तबीयत अभी आपका? Okay. We have one query. Can you explain again? Not clear. With pick, you explain. Okay, just a minute. Let me let me see. Wait. Let me download the file. Okay. See, do one thing. Here in projects, right? Here in projects, कहाँ गया यार? यही है क्या पेन का? Don't know how to do this. So यहाँ पे जो projects है, projects is there, right? Here projects is there. Do one thing. In case of project, write employee. ठीक है, write employee. Do that thing. In place of projects, write employee. That's it. इसमें इरेजर का किधर है? Right. So here project is there, right? Remove, make it employees. ठीक है, make it employees and execute it. After that you will get the output. ठीक है, इसका मिटाने का किधर है? अरे बाबा, ठीक है, change it to employees. Execute it. Right now it will work. ठीक है, ओके. वी हैव वन क्वेरी. वेकेशन बोल रहा था, ऑटो करेक्ट. अच्छा, ओके, वेकेशन में आए थे. सही है. आई मीन अभी आपका कौन सा दिसंबर और हैप्पी न्यू ईयर वेकेशन. बढ़िया. मैं वापस जा रहा हूँ हैदराबाद. 15 को ट्रेन है. 15 मतलब आई थिंक परसों. ठीक है, और क्या है? ओके, वी हैव वन मोर क्वेरी. बाकी अभी घर में ज़्यादा टाइम वेस्ट वगैरह हो गया, पढ़ भी नहीं पाया मैं. अभी फिर से रिवीजन करना पड़ेगा सब कॉन्सेप्ट एंड टूल्स वगैरह. कोई बात नहीं, करते रहो, कोई बात नहीं. अपना तो लाइव स्ट्रीम चलता रहता है. पूछ लेना, कुछ भी डाउट होगा मैं हेल्प कर दूंगा. ठीक है कि नहीं शुभम? कोई दिक्कत वाला बात नहीं है. कुछ भी डाउट वगैरह आएगा पूछना, हेल्प कर दूंगा. ठीक है, ओके. आई डू इट्स वर्किंग. वन मोर टाइप. एक्सप्लेन विथ पिक टोटल सिंटेक्स. ओके, आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू द कॉन्सेप्ट. ठीक है, आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू द कॉन्सेप्ट. First thing first, let's understand two things. Parent table and foreign key. ठीक है, foreign key or you can say reference. So first thing first, how these things work. Suppose this is a parent table, employee, and this is a foreign table called project. No, now what will happen? You build a connection with this. You build a connection. So building connection is called reference. And by building connection, you will take some data from employee to project. ठीक है? By creating a foreign key. FK I am writing foreign key. Right? This is the actual concept. Now some rules. If you want to delete directly some data from parent table, sorry for the spelling mistake, from parent table, you cannot directly delete it. Why I am saying this? Because datas are connected. You cannot directly delete anything from parent table because of this data connection, right? But there is a way. Okay, there is a way. Let's understand it again. This is employee table. This is projects. This is connection. Okay. So the thing is, if you want to delete something from parent table, you have to first remove this. You have to first remove the connection, right? You have to first remove the connection. And in this, what kind of connection has been done? One for Ramesh connected like this. ठीक है? Twice. I mean duplicate is there. Due to which issue is coming. So to break the connection, what you will do? You will have to delete one data from foreign key. I mean from projects. That is what we did. What you did? We have done this. Delete from projects. And you have written the query. And after writing the query, what happened? This extra Ramesh, duplicate data got deleted, right? When this duplicate data got deleted, this connection came to end. This connection came to end. ठीक है? Right now what happened after deleting from project? See, these things happened. This thing happened. So connection has been lost. There is no connection of foreign key here, right? No connection of foreign key here. No connection is there. And what is the rule? Until and unless you do not remove the connection from parent key. Let me write it. Until and unless you do not remove connection from parent to foreign key, you cannot delete anything from this parent table, right? You cannot delete anything. anything from parent table. So right now what we did, we removed the connection, and once we removed the connection, we had again written the same query which is actually written, and then we deleted the data from employee. ठीक है, parent table. And when you have seen the connection which is lost, actually there are connection like this. Ramesh was there, 1111 Ramesh was there, so we deleted here first, then we deleted here first, connection lost. So right now what happened, duplicates are directly removed from parent table, right? That is the reason why I told you to first remove the connection. And how do we remove the connection? We have to remove the connection by removing data from foreign key, or you can say foreign table. ठीक है, once the connection is lost, this data is free, and once this data is free, you can delete it then. So you deleted it and you got the output, right? That is the thing. ठीक है. Okay. So anybody have any more doubts in the live stream, you can ask. Let me first check is my stream is working or not, because last time what happened, the stream, it is not showing, I don't know why. पता नहीं कनेक्शन लॉस्ट हो गया क्या फिर. Okay, we have one query, right? Hey, hi, welcome to live stream. Welcome to live stream. Right now I've just received only one query from him. Bro, I am aspiring what kind of project help me to get into companies. I have 3 years of Azure admin. Azure admin job role hai, so you can go for projects related. See, first thing first, I don't have idea related to what project or not, but let me tell you one thing related to my colleagues in Flipkart. Like, they were also working as a Azure admin. ठीक है, so they were sitting on the, I mean, one floor down. Like, I was sitting on 7th floor, they were on, I think, 6th or 5th floor, they were hanging out. So we used to talk with them because data domain, so like that. So in that thing, I don't know what projects they used to do or not, but I know what work they used to do. They used to like create or take care of this kind of called Azure monitoring kind of thing. They used to take care of this thing. Then they used to take care of this log analytics related to customer behavior. ठीक है, in Flipkart, right? Also they used to do some kind of kuch documentation, something RA documentation, RCA, something like that. Documentation name is there, I don't remember. They used to take care of this documentation as well. I don't know it's RA or RCA, I don't know. You just check once, you might be knowing better. ठीक है. Then they used to also take care of this, matlab they used to take care of all the architect security, क्या बोलते हैं, wait, architect sorry for spelling mistake, architect something, security, ownership, they used to take care of all those things. ठीक है. If you have any idea related to that, then you can go on with this because they used to take care of all those things and all. ठीक है. तो that's the thing. And also one of my colleague, he was taking care of the FinOps wala work in Azure. I don't know what he is taking care of, but he told like he used to take care of the FinOps department in this Azure admin work. He used to take care of all those things. So if you have any idea related to that, you can go with the project or something, right? I don't have that much idea. This is what I have heard from my colleagues or my like friends who are like this admin, Azure admin, like working as Azure admin, and they used to do all those kind of work. So these are like industry level kind of work they used to do. I mean, they're working with the company, so yeah, industry level kind of work. So if you have any idea related to that, you can go on with the project, and that's it, right? Okay, we have one query from Shubham. I heard from many corporate employees there will be mass hiring going on March for fresher. Is it true? No idea, bhai. Idea nahi hai. No idea. But let me tell you one thing. Right now, I have seen in if you check my YouTube post also, most of them are hiring for DA role from 0 year to 1 year, 0 to 2, 0 to 3 years kind of thing. YouTube post में I have written the YouTube post, you can go and apply. और ये आज का ही बात है, आज का मतलब कितना 13 जनवरी का ही मैं बात कर रहा हूँ. तो इफ़ यू वांट यू कैन गो एंड अप्लाई इन दिस थिंग. और उसमें से एक रिमोट जॉब है, रिमोट USA जॉब, समथिंग कुछ $1500 दे रहा है पर मंथ. तो उसमें लिंक है एक्चुअली, उसमें कोई ये नहीं है, मेल आईडी नहीं है, उस पर लिंक है. तो यू कैन गो एंड अप्लाई एंड जस्ट सी व्हाट रिजल्ट डू यू गेट. रिलेटेड टू मास हायरिंग इसका तो पता नहीं, मतलब अभी ऐसा कुछ न्यूज़ मैंने नहीं सुना है. मे भी सही हो, ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं गलत बोल रहा हूँ, मे भी सही हो. तो प्लीज़ बी प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर दैट. बाकी कैसे क्रैक करूँ, एक रोड मैप दीजिए. सिंपल भाई, रोड मैप तो जो आप टूल्स पढ़े हो उस पर ज़्यादा फोकस रहो, ठीक है. सिंपल टूल्स के मदद से जो आप प्रोजेक्ट किए हो उस पर फोकस रहना है. मतलब ये दो चीज़ पे फोकस रहो, क्योंकि एनी हाउ फ्रेशर्स को किस बेसिस पे पूछेगा, फ्रेशर्स को उसी बेसिस पे पूछेगा जिस बेसिस पे आपने कुछ काम किया हुआ है. और काम कहाँ किया हुआ है आपने, प्रोजेक्ट वे में काम किया है या तो कोई इंटर्नशिप वे में काम किया होगा, ठीक है. इस तरीके से जो भी आपने काम किया है वो सब आपको बोलना पड़ेगा. फिर वो पूछेगा किस टूल्स रिलेटेड आपने काम किया है, वो सब आप पूछोगे. फिर उससे रिलेटेड वो क्वेश्चन पूछेगा, उस टूल्स या तो उस काम से रिलेटेड वो क्वेश्चन पूछेगा, एंड यू हैव टू गो विद इट. दैट्स इट. ए हाय अभिषेक, वेलकम टू लाइव स्ट्रीम. हायरिंग इन मार्च, अभिषेक चौधरी. अच्छा ये, हाँ कंपनी हायरिंग को चल रहा है. और बाकी एवरीवन भाई, मैं अभी पोस्ट किया हूँ, आई होप आप लोग उस पर अप्लाई किए होंगे. रिलेटेड टू द वैकेंसी, जॉब वैकेंसी, प्लीज़ जाके अप्लाई करो. फ्रेशर्स रिलेटेड है. आई एम सेंडिंग द पोस्ट वंस अगेन. मैं यहाँ पे फिर से अप्लाई आई मीन लिंक भेज देता हूँ. तो उस पर एक रिमोट जॉब रोल है US का, तो गो एंड अप्लाई इन दैट, ठीक है. बाकी मेल IDs वगैरह भी दिए हुए हैं, राइट. तो यू कैन गो एंड चेक दैट आउट एंड प्लीज़ अप्लाई. 0 year का इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ, ठीक है. राइट. Okay, hey, hi, welcome to live stream. Hi Nipun, welcome to live stream. Okay, I am preparing for DA roles, working on e-com project. Could you please suggest one to real? Acha, okay, okay. Related to project, okay. One project I would not project, but related to the work that we used to do. When I was in Flipkart, we used to take care of stock check. Okay. So what is stock check? First thing first, every day or in every shift, it is related to shift. Every shift, you have to take care of the inventory goods are there or not in a proper way. See, what is inventory? First thing first, inventory is a place where in warehouse, inventory is a place where you keep all the goods with a proper location ID. Okay. The stock picker comes to the location, pick the stock, goes to outbound. In outbound, your details are pasted. From there, truck comes, vehicle comes, and you get the product like that. Malab, there are even last mile as well, but let's not go that much deep. So what happens, due to human error, I mean to say, this is inventory. Due to human error, what happens, sometimes the product get picked up here, and when the product, like the picker picks the product from here and comes here, and in that device he or she comes to know that the customer has cancelled the order, then picker have to go and put the product on the same location. Suppose what happens if the location is like this. Okay, it was the pick location. Suppose what happens, the order get cancels and other order get cancelled, and the picker moves to the inventory, and in हड़बड़ी में बोलते हैं ना, like in fast movement or without presence of mind, picker what he or she does, he or she keep the products in this thing. So due to which what will happen, stock issue will be there. In computer system it will be shown in 059 there was a product pen, but when you do stock check and when you go and find out कि अच्छा in 059 there was one pen, but right now there is no pen here. ठीक है, and in 069 there was 3 pen, but right now it is 4. ठीक है, so this is why we do stock check, because additional this 059 लोकेशन का जो क्या बोलते हैं गुड्स है, इट केम हियर, ड्यू टू विच इट बिकेम 4. ठीक है, so what will happen in that way, the stock checker will come to the system and they will update the database. So what we used to do, we used to check how many products are there not properly set in the stock check, right? Like this, in 059 issue was there, and in 069 issue was there. So in this way what we used to do, we used to join the table, we used to join both the table, self join, and we used to find like what's the issue is there, like what is the issue, is the data matching or not. Suppose I am saying 059 069 data is there, we do self join, and we found out not null, let's go for 0, null it will be issue will be there. This is after stock check. ठीक है, this is after stock check, we found out this. ठीक, right now what we will do, we will connect it with self join, and after connecting with self join we will do subtraction, right? We will do subtraction and we will get a data, suppose like this. What's the data? 3. ठीक, we will receive the data and we will do the subtraction. It's like this minus this, it will be -1, will be 1. So we will see there is a difference in that. Then what we do, we connect this data with the outbound team just to check ki is really the product there has been went to the customer, or what happened, or why this product is extra. So when we used to find out ki no, the product is not received, it has been cancelled by the customer and by mistakenly it came out here, then we can easily say like there was a stock check issue here and we have to again rearrange the inventory after the stock check. So it is like that. We used to do like this kind of stock check every shift. Okay. So this is one of the practical example here. And next practical example, what I used to say in Amazon. Let me talk about that. In Amazon, what we used to do during that, when we used to handle the stakeholders, there they used to take care of the product which goes for donation, right? I mean to say, in foreign countries, what happen if the product comes in a bad way, like if the product is not properly done or anything, it gets sold to a third party and the third party take this product in cheap price. Okay. So what we used to do in that thing, we used to check check the rate card and find fraud. Okay. What happens, sometimes what happens, the third party, they used to reduce the price from their side. Okay. Suppose Amazon told the pen would be sold in 5 rupees. Okay. Third party had also told 5 rupees in the meeting, but when submitting the document, third party has told 3 rupees. So when we used to see there is a difference in this, we used to directly mail related to the discrepancy and ask the reason for that. So like this way we used to do. This is one kind of example, just one kind of easy example which you can understand. Okay. So these are the two examples which you can add from this. Actually these are the real examples. When I was in Amazon taking care of this, my first stakeholder was not directly but indirectly connected to Amazon Pay. Okay. That's why. And this is from Flipkart was mainly, I was taking care of the east zone warehouses. Okay. Especially for the inventory department. That's why. So these are the two things which is a kind of real scenario. It is actually real scenario which we used to take care of. This thing you can add in projects, but main thing, what, if you add this thing in project, they will ask you like how do you get all those data, like you don't have experience in supply chain or warehouse, right? Because these are the things where if you have experience in that, you might be able to know, but don't think that much. Add it. Okay. You add it, just add it, no need to worry about, just add it. At least they will check your concept and it's good to go. Okay. Hey, hi Parikshit, welcome to live stream. Welcome to live stream. And okay. So anybody have any doubts? So anybody have any doubts in the live stream, they can ask your doubts here. Right? It's 10 o'clock right now. I have to just wait a minute. Let me download it. So anybody have any doubts here? So you can ask. So the thing is actually so okay, one more thing. Shiva, you understood na the topics and all for parent table and foreign key constraint. I hope you understood it. So anybody can ask the thing, or the thing is I have to go right now. But anyways, just ask your doubts. The thing is, right now I'm giving training to this in Power BI, due to which right now I'm just tensed about the training part. So anybody any doubt, just ask your doubts, or I can just leave. Okay, and Shiva, like, do you understood the relation between this parent table and foreign key constraint? Rules and regulation. I hope you understood it. If not, you can ask. It's not like so. If you want, you can ask your doubts in the live stream. Please ask your doubts. Okay, we have one more query. Thank you, sir, for the advice. Sure, try to make a project similar. Yeah, you can add this thing in that. You can add this thing, right? Related to stock check and fraud check and real scenario kind of thing. I mean to say there are other scenarios as well, but this scenario you can easily understand. That's why I'm saying that. So, and also you can make others understand as well. That's why. You can ask your doubts here. Like anybody have any more doubts, or if not, then I have to leave for the training part. The thing is, I have to give training to the freelance hires, new hires. That's why I'm saying. So anybody have any more doubts, you can ask, or I can. Okay, Rinpoon, thanks for the live stream. Yeah, actually, we do live stream every day. Let me tell you that. And thanks to you that you joined my live stream. Thanks to you for that. We do live stream every day. And wait, like you joined here right now. So let me tell you, you can have some projects from my side. Actually, these projects are all freelance kind of project. I mean to say, you will be taking care of the raw data handling, means null values will be there, very bad data will be there, duplicate data will be there. You have to trim, you have to use regex expression and all. And also, if you want, you can go and check this Excel project for DA. All the topics that are done here are purely in data analytics format. I mean to say, whatever Excel formulas and logics I have used in my corporate career, also in my freelance career, all those topics are there in this Excel project. You can go and watch that, and also you can use this project in your CV and resume. And if you want some like if you like this project, then you can go with the membership as well. In membership, there are some high level things are there in the project point of view. Okay. Also, the thing is, we bring projects every month for everyone, for free for everyone, and also for members, right? So free projects will be there, members project will be there. If you like any of the project, you can use that project in your CV, resume, or LinkedIn platform, right? You can use it, and in that you will get all the study material related to the project in the Google Drive link. So all the Google Drive link are in the project description box only. Whatever like project is there, Google Drive link, project, Google Drive link, like that. Okay? You can use that data set and add some additional requirements from your own side, and make it unique, right? Make the project unique. Okay? That's the thing. Okay, we have one more query. Sure, I will add the project. Yeah, sure, yeah. Please go and check that out. Check the project. Okay? And see like how is it. And please give your feedback as well, like in the comment section or in the mail, wherever you are comfortable with. Okay? So, anybody have any doubts in the live stream? They can ask your doubts. Right? So hey, hi, welcome to live stream. Welcome to live stream. So any doubts you have, you can ask your doubts here. So let's, any doubts anybody have? Okay, I don't think there are doubts here. But anyways, okay then, it's 10 o'clock right now. Let's move back to my work. And anybody have any doubts, you can just ask your doubts here. Okay? In the mail ID or comment section is also there. You can put your comments in the comment section. I'm sharing this thing here as well, right? ठीक है, चलो then, bye bye everyone. Let's meet tomorrow again in the new live stream. And please apply to the job post that I have already given information about. Let me write it again here. This is for 1, this is for 2, and this is the third one. ठीक है, please do apply with the post because it is for freshers level. I mean from 0 years to 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, like that. ठीक है, go and apply in that, right? So okay, bye bye everyone. Let's meet again tomorrow in a new live stream. Bye bye then.